Breaking news for the Philippines. LTO News Philippines. New driver's license rules plus fees effective this coming December 21st, 2025. Baba sa lahat ng motorista at mag-apply ng lisensya. Simula December 31, 2025, tuluyan nang ipinapatupad ang mas mahigpit at mas digital na sistema ng driver's license sa ilalim ng Land Transportation Office. Ano ang bago? Walang walk-in, online appointment na lang via LTMS portal bago pumunta sa LTO. Ikalawa, mas mahigpit na driver education, mandatory and theoretical driving course TDC at comprehensive driver's education or CDE. Medical certificate may expiry. Dapat galing sa LTO accredited clinics lamang. Biometrics plus digital records, mas mahigpit laban sa fixer at fake licenses. Clean record, mas mahabang validity hanggang 10 years ang lisensya kapag walang violations. Magkano na ang gastos? Estimated fees, student permit, application plus permit fees 300 to 350. Theoretical driving course is 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. Medical certificates is 400 to 600. Total all is 2,700 to 4,000 plus for student permit. Non-professional license application plus license card 600 equals or 600 to 700. Practical driving exam include medical certificate 400 to 600. Total 1,000 to 1,300 plus. Hiwalay pa ang driving school kung kailangan. Sa professional license naman, application plus license card 600 to 1,000. Medical certificate 400 to 600 plus additional exams or restrictions depende sa vehicle. Total of 1,000 to 1,600 ang mababayaran. For the renewal or non-pro or pro, license fee 600 to 700. The CDE free online via LTMS, paid kung driving school ay 2,000. So, medical certificate is 400 to 600 ang medical certificate sa renewal ng pro or non-pro. Then, total is 1,000 to 3,000. Importanteng paalala, may 50 to 200 penalty late kapag late renewal. Okay? So, mayroon siyang penalty na 50 to 200 kapag late renewal. Mas mahal kapag bumagsak at nag-retake ng exam. So, yung sa akin is nagpasalamat ako na one take lang ako sa exam na nag-apply ako sa driver's license. Kasi naman is pinag-aralan ko talaga siya guys. No? Bago ako nag-take ng exam, nag-aral ako ng mga ilang gabi na walang tulog. Tapos nag-driving school din ako doon sa MB Driving School. So mayroon akong isang video dito sa aking YouTube vlogs na kung saan inyong makikita yung aking mentor sa pag-drive ko doon sa MV Driving School. At doon is sa video yun ay malalaman nyo rin kung magkano yung nabayaran ko. Kaya you must watch the video po. Hanapin nyo lang yung driving school ng MV Driving School na andito sa aking long form video. Okay? So, next is iwasan ang fixer. Mas mahigpit na ang verification. So, disclaimer, ang mga impormasyong nakapaloob sa post na ito ay batay sa kasalukuyang guidelines at public advisories ng Land Transportation Office at iba pang available public sources. Ang aktual na fees, proseso at requirements ay maaaring magbago depende sa LTO office, driving school at uri ng lisensya. Okay, so yun lang siya guys. So, ayan, makikita ninyo ang breaking news with Marcos, the President in the Philippines. So, ayan. So, sabi dito, i-drug test usa mukuha og lisensya. It said here, must be able to drug test first before applying for license. That's what he or she recommend here. So, yeah. So, okay. So, hanggang dyan lang po muna ang ating live, guys. Thank you for joining on my live or short live video tonight. Stay safe, everyone, and see you again on our next live. Bye for now.